Okay students, in last previous class we have been discussed regarding theory part for oscillations chapter. So in this class we are going to discuss regarding the numericals. So this first question, a particle executes SHM. SHM is nothing but simple harmonic motion of period 10 seconds and amplitude 1.5 meters. So we should have to find out, calculate its maximum velocity and acceleration. So first we should have to find out maximum velocity and then maximum acceleration, so which we should have to find out. So based on that, what they have been given here, just we can see. So answer, which is nothing but given. So time period, SHM of period is nothing but time. The time period is nothing but t is equals to 10 seconds, and amplitude is denoted by capital A equals to 1.5 meters. So we should have to find out V maximum. For this formula is V maximum is equals to A omega. In the same way, A maximum, acceleration maximum, so which is nothing but so omega square A. Here omega is common. So omega is nothing but angular frequency. Omega equals to, they have not been given directly, but omega is equals to, we know, so 2 pi by t. With the help of this, omega is equals to, so 2 pi by 10. So if you have been done this, which you can get here as that omega value is nothing but so 2 into 3.14 by 10. So 2125. So if you do this, so which you can get the value as omega is equals to 0.628 radian per second. So with the help of this V maximum, so V maximum value, which I can write here as so A into omega or omega into A, so which is nothing but A we know, omega value we know. With the help of this, which I can write here as 0.628 into 1.5, which we can get. With the help of this, so velocity is maximum, so if you multiply this, we can get the answer as 0.942 meter per second. In the same way, A maximum is equals to, we have been proved minus, here we are finding only magnitude, so we can take it as a positive. So A maximum is equals to omega square A. So if you do this, A maximum is equals to omega square is nothing but 0.628 omega value, which we have been find out, so whole square into 1.5. So with the help of this, which you can get here as A maximum is equals to, so if you do this, finally we can get the answer as 0.592 meter per second square. So which we have been find out. Okay, next question. A body executes simple harmonic motion with an amplitude of 5 centimeters and period of oscillation is 0.2 seconds. Find the value of velocity and acceleration of the body when the displacement is 3 centimeters. So in previous question we have been seeing, they asked directly maximum velocity and maximum acceleration. But here they are asking to find velocity and acceleration at a displacement of 3 centimeters. So with the help of this, what they have been given, just you can go through once. So answer, given, so what they have been given, first amplitude is nothing but A is equals to 5 centimeters. So whenever we are doing the numericals, we should have to follow one system, that's which is nothing but SI system, which I can take here as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Centi means 10 power minus 2. And time period, this time period t is equals to, they have been given 0.2 seconds. And when the displacement, here displacement which is denoted by x, so x is equals to 3 centimeters. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, so which we can get. First one they asked to find out the velocity. So for velocity, if you have been remembered, the formula is nothing but V is equals to omega into root of, so a square minus x square, which we can get. So this is the formula which we have been proved in theory part. So if you are not been understand this concept, means you can go through the previous videos. So V is equals to omega into root of a square minus x square. With the help of this, here omega value is nothing but omega is equals to 2 pi by t. So that's which I can write here as, so 2 pi by t value is here, which is nothing but 0.2 seconds. So if you have been done this, so which I can get the value as omega is equals to, so which I can get here as 10 pi radian per second. So velocity V is equals to, I can write here as so 10 pi into root of a square. A value is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. I can get here as 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square minus x square. X square value is which is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. So if you do this, so which I can get here as, so velocity V is equals to 10 pi into root of, so 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4 minus 3 3 is a 9. So 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4, which we are going to get by taking 10 to the power of minus 4 as a common. So we can get here as, so velocity V is equals to, so 10 pi into root of, so 25 minus 9. So 25 minus 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So which is nothing but velocity V is equals to 10 pi into, so root 16 value is nothing but 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So with the help of this, velocity V is equals to, I can get here as, so 40 pi into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. So if you have been substituted the value of pi, so which we are going to get it as so 125.6. V is equals to 125.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. So 10 to the power of minus 2 means divided by 100. If we can get here as 1.256 so meter per second, which we are going to get. So and then the next one which they have been asked here as acceleration. So for this acceleration, the formula is nothing but, so acceleration A is equals to, so omega square x. So by substituting this, so omega value which we have been proved here as 10 pi, so which is nothing but, so 10 pi whole square into, so x value is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So if you have been done this, so A is equals to, we can get here as 100. So 100, so pi square into 9 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 10 to the power of minus 2, 100, which we are going to get it cancel. So if you substitute this pi value as 3.14, so finally we can get the answer as 29.58 meter per second square. So in this way, which we have been find out the velocity and acceleration at certain displacement. So x is equals to 3 centimeters, which we can do the answer. So here we should have to convert the centimeters into meters, and then we should have to substitute pi value. Here pi value is nothing but, so pi is equals to 3.14. It is a constant value, or 22/7 you can use, and then we can get the answer. Here, see the next question. A particle executes SHM. Its displacement equation is xt equals to 2.5 cos 4 pi t plus pi by 6. Determine amplitude, frequency, time period and phase. Here they have been asked a total 4 questions which they may ask for 5 marks question like this. So if you have been seeing the equation, so displacement equation, so which we have been proved here as, so x is equals to a cos omega t. So along with that, so if it is making certain phase, that which you can write here as so first we'll write a first given equation, xt is equals to, so 2.5 cos 4 pi t plus pi by 6. So we know, so x with respect to time which it will changes, which is nothing but a cos omega t plus pi. So if you are assuming this is the equation 1 and then this is equation 2, by comparing we get, so what we can get, amplitude is nothing but, so amplitude is nothing but a is equals to, so 2.5 meters, because they have not been given anything means which we can consider SA system. With the help of this, so omega is nothing but here angular frequency. So frequency they have been asked. With the help of this, omega is equals to 4 pi, because omega is nothing but 4 pi, and then phase, here phase is nothing but, so phase phi, which is nothing but pi by 6. With the help of this we have been find out the amplitude. So the next one we should have to find out frequency, time period and phase which we have been find out, which is nothing but 5 by 6. So we can find first frequency. With the help of this, omega is equals to 4 pi, but we know omega is equals to what, so which is nothing but 2 pi by t. With the help of this, so t is equals to, I can write here as, so 2 pi by omega. So omega value is nothing but 4 pi. So by substituting that, which I can get here as time period t is equals to, so 2 pi by 4 pi, so 1 by 2, which is nothing but t equals to 0.5 seconds, which we are going to get. And then finally time period you have been find out, we should have to find out the frequency. So frequency is nothing but, so frequency f is equals to reciprocal of its time period 1 by t. So this 1 by t which I can write here as 1 by 2. So with the help of this, frequency f is equals to 1 by 2 is nothing but frequency f is equals to 2 Hz, which we are going to get. So in this way, by a given equation, so that compare with the original equation, and then we can get, and then we can find the terms, that's amplitude, frequency, time period and then phase. So this equation already which we have been discussed, x is equals to a cos omega t plus pi. So next question, calculate the total energy of a particle of mass 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg oscillating simple harmonically with angular frequency 0.45 radian per second and amplitude 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this total energy, which is nothing but sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. So answer which you can find here as, so what they have been given, just we can write down. So with the help of this, first they have been given of mass is nothing but, so m is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg, which they have been given. And then angular frequency is nothing but omega. So omega is equals to 0.45, so radian per second, and then amplitude which they have been given here as a is equals to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So if you have been remembered, so the total energy formula, here the total energy formula is nothing but, so total energy is equals to So half m omega square a square, which we can get. So we know m value, we know omega, we know a. So by substituting all this total energy is nothing but half mass is nothing but, so 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into omega value is 0.45, so 0.45 whole square into amplitude is nothing but 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3, so 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So if you do this here, 2 gets cancelled, so we can get here as 10 to the power of minus 3 into 0.45, that which I can write here as 45 into 10 to the power of minus 2, or you can do it as 0.45 into 0.45. So with the help of this 0.45 whole square, so into, so 1 which is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. So if you do this, the total energy which we can get here as answer, which is nothing but 0.2025, 0.2025, this if you square, and then we can get here as, so 10 to the power of minus 9. So total energy, the unit which is nothing but joule. So this is a total energy which we are going to get. So these are some numericals related to oscillations. So thank you.